Test trigonometric identities. Prove secant x minus tan x divided by secant x plus tan x equals to 1 minus 2 secant x tan x plus 2 tan square x. Well, this is also a part of your test, and I'd like you to copy the question and solve it. Then look into my solution, okay? And this is how I'm going to tackle it. So what I will do is I'll start from left side, and if I have this kind of a situation, best for way of solving is rationalization, right? So I will do rationalization. So that is my key to this solution. What does that mean? It really means to multiply with the conjugate so that we know a plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. So that is what we'll do. We'll start with the left side, right? Which is secant x minus tan x divided by secant x plus tan x. And rationalization means we'll multiply by the conjugate. Conjugate means secant x minus, this sign changes, minus tan x divided by secant x minus tan x. Now what this does really is that the denominator becomes difference of squares, which is secant square x minus tan square x. And the numerator, now we'll multiply this. This is like secant x minus tan x whole square, right? So we get secant square x minus 2 times secant x tan x plus tan square x. I hope you remember the Pythagorean identity which relates tan and secant, and which is 1 plus tan square x equals to secant square x, correct? So from here we get 1 is equals to secant square x minus tan square x. So the denominator, which is secant square x minus tan square x, becomes 1 for us, and we are left with the numerator, right? So the numerator is equal to secant square x minus 2 tan x secant. If we compare it, we have all the terms here, but we don't need secant square x. So what I will do is I'll replace secant square x with 1 plus tan square x. So I'm writing secant square x as 1 plus tan square x, and then minus 2 secant x tan x plus tan square x. Remember, my denominator is now 1 because secant square x minus tan square x is 1, correct? And here I replace this secant square x with this 1 plus tan square x. So I'm coming closer to this. Tan square x plus tan square x is 2 tan square x. I already have 1 and minus 2 secant x and tan x. So this becomes 1 minus, I'm writing minus 2 secant x tan x plus 2 tan square x, which is the right side. Okay, so my identity is proved. Thank you.